Fill, anchor, finger, these are strokes. Okay, what is the first stroke? First stroke is beam, second stroke is umbrella, third stroke is mushroom, fourth stroke is hook up, fifth stroke is hook down, sixth stroke is what is it? Heel, seventh stroke is ankle, eighth stroke is fill. Okay, these are strokes. Any doubt in strokes? Anyone? Anyone have any doubt from strokes? No doubts? Okay. Okay. What are the lowercase letters? Lowercase letters means what? Small letters. Very good. Lowercase letters means small letters. In middle zone, how many letters are there? How many? 14. In middle zone, 14 letters are there. And in lower zone, how many letters are there? 6 letters are there. 6. And in all zone, how many letters are there? Only 1 letter is there. In lower zone, how many letters are there? 5. These all are completed in previous class. Yes, na? These all are completed. Today we have to practice these letters. Okay. First we have to practice middle zone letters. Okay. Each letter you should write 2 rows. See how to write. See here. First A 2 times. Draw lines. After that C. In middle zone letter C is there. Next write 2 lines. Okay, draw lines. After that you have to practice. Next T after E. Next that one also 2 lines. You have to practice like this pattern. Okay, 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Again 1, 2. Okay? Okay? I will write on the board. Practice again. First observe how to write. First observe. After that you have to practice. Practice is very important. Okay, in middle zone, first letter is A, P plus hook down. See here, A plus down. Next letter is C. C is clockwise and anti-clockwise. Same like this. Hello, stop writing. I will give you more time to write. Okay. But E, like the C only. clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, I, one small dot line, sleeping line. Okay, after that, down and one dot. Next, young. Hook up. Again, hook up. Again, hook up and down. Next, young. Hook up and hook up plus down. Next, go clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, R. Stay here, don't cry. Hook up and here onwards we have to add another R. Next, S also clockwise and anti-clockwise. Mainly one stand become yes. See again here clockwise. After that one slant. Okay. Here clockwise and anti-clockwise. Next, U hook up plus hook down with more gap here. Next, we have to add hook down. Okay, U. Next, we hook up with more curve. After that, one slant and some leading curve. Next, W. W, same. First, we try like B. Hook up with more curve. After that, one stand. Again, up one curve. After that, one slant. Next, same here. Like this, we have to write X. Sorry, right? W. Next, X. X. Next, is hook up, hook down with slant. Hook up and hook down with slant. Next one, heel. Next, Z. Heel, slant, and again heel. Okay, these are 14 middle zone letters in lower case letters. In lower case letters means small letters. In small letters, these are middle zone letters. Okay, we should not cross baseline or middle line. We should touch middle line and baseline. Write perfect letters. And next, wait. Sharad, stop writing, Sharad. Look here. Everyone, don't write. Okay, next.
ఈ రకంగా పూర్తిగా మనం ఈ అప్లికేషన్ ఫిల్ చేసిన తర్వాత అప్లికేషన్ ప్రింట్ తీసుకొని మనం ఆ యొక్క సర్టిఫికేట్ వెరిఫికేషన్ కొరకు మనకు అలాట్ అయిన కాలేజ్ దగ్గరికి మనం వెళ్తాం. కాబట్టి ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ ఫ్రెండ్స్.
Next, B plus mushroom and dog. Next H, mushroom plus udam and dog. Next K, mushroom plus error B and plant dog. Next L, mushroom plus dog. Next T, plant upper line dog and keeping. These are upper zone letters. Next, one is upper zone letters. That is F, E plus one sleeping. Those are upper zone letters and also. And next, how many lower zone letters are there? How many lower zone letters are there? Yes, 5. Very good. 5 are there. The first letter is G. First letter is G. P plus umbrella, J. One sleeping line, one dot like sleeping lines. Dot. After that, umbrella and one dot. J. Start writing. Next P. One small dot like sleeping line. After that, umbrella. Okay. Next, middle grade. Middle grade. P. Next one is Q. B S long terms. B plus long term. Okay. Next one is Y. Up and down. Okay. This is Y. These are lower levels. Once observe here, everyone once observe here, we should not cross this line. See here, we should not cross down or inside. We should write on line only. Umbrellas too. Okay, and these also we should not cross line because we will observe. Here also, upper line we should not cross. Okay, these are lower case letters. If you have any doubt, ask me in these lower case letters.